In this video, I want to talk about how you can get the best out of trading 212. Now, there are three main points that I think trading 212 is doing really well. So instead of only using it as invest and this kind of platform, like many others, there's many other platforms that you can use just to invest. But what I think trading 212 is doing well are these 3 points. So the first one is that you can enable interest on cash, which means that you're going to earn interest on any cash that you haven't used. And to do this, you simply want to click on this button, choose the first one, interest on cash, and then you simply want to enable it. So they will pay you interest on your cash that you haven't used. Now you can always withdraw this cash or invest it if you want, and you can also disable this whenever you want. Now that's really great. Now the other thing is their 212 card. You should download the app for this one. So download it on your phone and then click on the card icon. And on that card, they have cashback. So you can use that one and you will be able to get cashback. And the third one is their automated pie investing. So if you go here and you make a pie, you can choose auto invest once you've done making it. And this is a really great feature. Now, this is basically what I like about it. I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.